and welcome back to my channel where today I'm going to be making a dream catcher. So I got this Dreamcatcher kit from Aldi for £4.99, which I think is a real bargain, and it gives you something to do in lockdown if you're bored for a couple of hours. So it comes with everything that you need to make a Dreamcatcher. So without further ado, let's open it up and see what we have inside. We have a hoop. Now this is going to be your base for your Dreamcatcher, so it's very important that you have one of these. You also have some string or really thin wool, some feathers, nice little beads. There's 3 types in there. You also have some ribbon, and it also comes with a really nice book which has loads of nice diagrams and pictures to tell you all different kinds of styles to do your Dreamcatcher with. And it also comes with a crochet needle. I'm terrible at crochet, so I will not be using this, but if you wanted to and you're great at crochet, give it a go and let me see what you come up with. Now don't worry if you can't get a hold of one of the kits from Aldi, I've got an alternative in mind for you. To make a hoop, use a pen to trace around a small bowl on a piece of cardboard. Then use a smaller plate to trace the inner circle. Cut these out and voila, you now have a hoop. You can also get everything else in the kit from a craft store. So along with all the contents that's in your kit, you are also going to be needing some glue. You can use any glue you like. I'm going to use Superglue, but you could also use craft glue or a hot glue gun as well. I'm going to be using some cotton buds to apply the glue with so I don't get it all over my fingers. And finally you need a pair of scissors, and you also need a tape measure too. Now you have everything sorted, let's get crafting! Put a drop of glue on the end of the ribbon and stick it to the hoop. Once it holds in place, wrap the entire hoop with the ribbon. You want to try and overlap half the ribbon on each loop to make it tight and even. Once you get back to the start, glue down the remaining piece of ribbon. Take the wool and double knot it at the top of the hoop. Make sure it's tight, otherwise your web will unravel. Weave the wool under and through the hoop to create tension without tying a knot. The aim here is to try and make as many lines around the hoop as possible. I got 8 out of this, but you can do more if you like. Once you've weaved back to where you started, make a knot to secure it in place. Continue weaving, but this time looping under the wool line you have created instead of the hoop. Make sure you aim for the centre of the wool on each new section. Once you get to the middle and are happy with your pattern, make a double knot to secure it in place. Then add a bead in the centre to cover the knot. Double knot a piece of wool around the top of the hoop. Bring the ends together and place a bead through them. Use glue to secure the bead in place. Make a loop and tie at the top. Make sure you cut off any excess wool. Now it's time to make the feather decorations. You need 8 pieces of string in total, 3 20cm strands, 2 30cm, 2 40cm and 1 50cm. On each strand, make a double knot about 3 to 4 centimeters down. Place 1 oval bead and 3 small beads on the string. For the 20cm strands, add a large bead. Then glue along the tip of the feather and put it inside the bead. For the 30cm strands, leave a 5cm gap, then add the large bead and the feather. For the 40cm strands, leave an 11cm gap and repeat the bead and feather process. For the 50cm strand, you need 3 beads and 3 feathers. About 15 centimeters from the bottom, place a bead and a feather. Repeat this process, leaving about 2 centimeters between the bottom of the feather and the next bead. Make sure to glue the beads in place to secure them. Now you have your decorations, it's time to attach them to the hoop. Glue them to the bottom of the hoop, Use the smaller strands on the outside and increase the sizes as you move into the centre. The final piece in the middle should be both the 50cm and the 20cm strands. Make sure to let it dry completely before picking it up. And that's it, you now have a beautiful dream catcher. I've written all the materials and instructions below, so give it a go and have fun crafting. So if you do decide to make a dream catcher, please take a photo of it and put it on your Instagram and tag me in it @WorldOfJessieB. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.